So I'm just gonna start by wetting the area that I'm going to be plucking, and I just do this in sections too because the hair dries pretty quickly, and it's easier to pluck while the hair is wet as well, because if it's dry you're not gonna be pulling out like hair from the actual knots. You're just gonna be like breaking the hair. So yeah, you want the hair to be wet or damp or whatever, and you're gonna take a pair of tweezers, and you don't just want to go in and start plucking the front of the hairline. You want to part out a section and pluck backwards with the point of the needle. Well, not needle. I'm sorry if y'all can hear that. Wow. But you want to pluck backwards and make sure you have that lace down really, really good, because you don't want to tear a hole in your lace. So we're going to part and then pluck backwards with our tweezers, and make sure you have a nice pair of tweezers, not some raggedy ones, because you're going to be plucking for forever. And this process takes, like, you're not going to be able to pluck in 10 minutes and be done, unless you just like that wiggy hairline look. But if you want it as natural as possible, this is going to take you about 45 minutes to an hour, I swear to God. But I'm just plucking, and as you can see, it's already starting to look more natural, and the hairline isn't so straight and bulky. And that's how much hair I have just from plucking that little bitty spot. So I'm just going to continue plucking. So now we're going to part off our second section, and we're going to do the exact same thing. And the hair, like I said, it dries fast, so I'm just re-wetting it, and I'm just going to pluck backwards again. And you can do this 2 to 3 times, as many, well, let me not say as many times as you feel, because just don't go over 3. Don't go over 3, because frontals bald and shed naturally, and if you pluck too much in the beginning, you're going to end up with a bald frontal. So just keep that in mind. And I'm going to finish the rest of the hairline, and then I'll come back to show you guys the look, or the finished look. So I'm just still plucking, and I'm gonna finish the hairline off camera. You just basically do the same thing throughout the full perimeter of the hairline. But yeah, when I show you guys what it looks like at the end, don't be alarmed because I have not bleached these knots correctly. I did bleach them once, but it was a fail. I didn't use the same powder that I normally use, so I have to go back in and re-bleach them. But yeah, and I'm going to show you how much hair came out, which is okay. It looks like a lot, but yeah, thank you guys for watching.